Falafel has become a favorite worldwide. It is vegetarian and very healthy food. And let's go through the ingredients and I'll show you what we use. We start with the dried chickpeas, 2 pounds, and then we soak it overnight. And then we get the soaked chickpeas. We add the garlic, the parsley, and the cilantro. We're gonna grind it in a grinder, and then we're gonna add the spices. After we grind the chickpeas, the cilantro, and the garlic, we'll add about a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of flour, and half a teaspoon of salt. After we mix the falafel mix, that's what we get. After we mix the falafel and the ingredients and the spices, the falafel, it's very fluffy, and if it's too moist, you can always add a little bit flour, but not too much. I want to introduce you to a falafel maker, and that's how we make the falafel balls. And now we're going to heat the oil to 325 degrees, and we put the falafel in the oil and we let it brown to golden brown for about 2 minutes. The tahini sauce, it's the main sauce for the falafel, and it's made out of sesame paste, lemon, and salt. I will take 1 cup of tahini to 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of juice and a little bit salt, half a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's all gonna mix, and you're gonna get a very pasty and nice tahini sauce. The other main ingredient of the falafel sandwich is the salad. And in most countries, the salad made by cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions mixed together. We're mixing the salad, and that will be stuffed in the pita bread with the falafel, and we'll put the tahini sauce over it. Okay, now I'll show you how to fry it. Okay, we'll press now the falafel into the falafel maker, and we'll release it into the oil. The oil is on 325 degrees, and it will take about 2 minutes until the falafel is golden brown, and then we can make the falafel sandwich. Now I'll show you how to make very easy by hand. It takes a second and you have a falafel bowl and you just dump it. And this is how it's supposed to be, golden brown, and you just take the falafel out with your tongue or anything else you like to use. And now we're going to assemble the falafel sandwich. We're going to take the pita, we're going to put 2 balls